wamapolisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kulindeleke ukuba afumane ukhuseleko olupheleleyo njengoko elungiselela ukuba lingqina lokuqala kwikomishini kaMadlanga. Le komishini eza kusungula udliwano-ndlebe lokuqala ngomhla we-17 kule nyanga iza kuphanda urhwaphilizo ungenelela kwezopolitiko kunye namanye amabango wokuba kuqhuba izikrelemnqa kwisebe lamapolisa. Isithethi sekomishini uJeremiah Michaels uthi luyaqhuba uthethathethwano noMkhwanazi namanye amangqina phambili kokuba kuchotshelwe ezingxoxo. Lo kaMichaels wongeza ngelithi onke amangqina ayakukhuselwa nokuba anikela ubungqina esidlangalaleni okanye emva kweminyango evaliweyo.
The Commission's evidence leaders and investigators have been in consultation with witnesses and following up on information within the Commission's terms of reference. As Justice Madlanga said at our first media briefing on the 28th of July, consultation with the first witness was, in his words, imminent. We can now confirm that the consultation to which the chairperson of the Commission, Justice Madlanga, referred was with Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, whom the Commission intends to call as its first witness. The Commission has simultaneously been in consultation with a number of other witnesses whose details, based on security considerations, we are not at liberty to divulge. The preparations for calling a witness are intricate, and it's important for the public to understand. I am not going to elaborate on the details involved. Suffice to say that there is a lot of legal and investigative work which goes into such preparations. The Commission is still in consultation with Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi. It has reserved him and plans to continue those consultations throughout this week, as well as the early part of next week, ahead of the first public hearing to be held next Wednesday, the 17th of September 2020.